Hi guys, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. Please subscribe and remember the notification bell. In that way you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to make a very simple tuber cap. I'm using I measure 11 inches. I have 11 inches by 44 inches. After folding it to 2, I have 22 inches, which is enough. What I'm going to do now is to sew here. I'm done sewing. Comes like this. I fold into 2. I will cut this place. I have this shape. I'm going to sew here and leave about 1 inch or 2 inches on the side to bring the right side out. But before I do that, I'm going to place this on one side, on this side. If you are sewing to sell, I will advise you do it this way. This is the way I'm doing it right now, sewing it inside so that the finishing would look very neat. With my hot glue, I'm going to start. You decide where you want to place it. I just like this on the side, just like this. Like this. I'm going to continue until I fill this plain space. I will bring this way. I will sew round and leave 1 or 2 inches here to bring the right side out before I place gather on the back with my thread and needle. I'm done sewing, and there's space here to bring the right side. Like this. And I sew handmade sticker on the back. If you don't have don't mind, just sew it like that. Like I said, if you are making it for sale, I will advise you sew it like this, so that at the end the finishing will be very neat. You can also sew with machine first before you use thread and needle to make gather. After drawing the gather like this, I will tie on this place. I will sew back this way and sew this way so many times before I will tie here and cut the thread. I will sew with my thread and needle because my machine cannot sew this, it's thick on the back, so I'm going to sew with my thread and needle. This is the finishing, guys. You can see how beautiful it is. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and if you are new, please subscribe and remember the notification bell. In that way, you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.